Yeah, what's up guys? Today we're playing Growing Up. I made some progress on this. And I'm gonna play the game until I don't know how. I don't know how long this video is. It's probably gonna be 2 seconds. Because I don't really understand the game. But I will read. But yeah, let's see. I haven't played Growing Up for ages, but as you can see, the game gets quite hard. What age am I? Age 10. So I'm 10 years old. How old am I gonna be in this video? I'm not gonna make a series on it. Why did they have to change the music? Oh. Okay, so we're going. So we're going here. Arrows pointing where we go. So there's arrows pointing where we go. Yo, it is giant. Okay, so I go here. So hard to aim. So hard to aim. Okay, I'm going way too fast. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I'm missing the arrows. Okay. Why now? No. Well done. Okay. Where do I go? Ride your skateboard through the giant skateboard throw around. Where am I going? This is gonna be a boring video. Okay, so we are here. Whoa. Okay. I've done it. Now I go over here. Go up here now. What? Whoa! Whoa! Where did I go? I go up here. Don't fall down. Oh, you can't. Where am I even going at this point? Following the arrows. Oh, go home. Oh, okay. I don't know where I'm going. I have no idea where I'm going, but you follow the arrows. I'm following the arrows. Oh, the arrows have to be so annoying in this game. Okay. The Roblox physics are obnoxious. You know, I'm resetting. I wish there was a sprint in this game, but yeah. I should have done that in the first place. I'm age 11 now. That's crazy. I have 0 coins though. 8 years old. 18 years old, okay. And there's some random ages in here, like 17 years old, 16 years old, 11 years old, and I'm 11 years old. And yeah, there's 9-year-olds, there's 8-year-olds. These are the only people in the server. But I'm only 11 years old at the time. Okay. Now we've got the annoying one out of the way. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but... Okay, can you hear me, guys? Okay. Where is it? Yay! Yeah, oh, where do I go? I go here. Come on, get one. Nice, go. Nice, that should keep them away for a little while. Go to the front of the garden. I don't know why it's called the yard. Okay, well. Where are we going? I'm going over here to the pet shop. Should get my slingshot away. What do I do? Okay. Luckily there's arrows, otherwise the skin will be popular. Feed the dogs outside, click. Okay. Oh, right here. Who is that? Okay. So now we have done it. Oops, use. Oh my gosh. Oh, I stepped on something. What did I step on? I bet I stepped on like dog poo. Boy, you got flinged. This game will get harder and harder. I think it does actually. Oh, going the wrong way. Go inside and shower. In here? Yeah. I showered. I'm 12 years old. I want to be like 13. Because I want to be 3 ages up. Go and throw a dog in the outdoor yard in the pet shop. Okay, so I go here, and then I go to the pet shop again, and yeah. I'm not making a series on this video, remember that. Choose your dog out. Where do I go? What did I do? Alright, did I choose my pet? Whoa, it's fast. Where do I go? Okay, I'll go here. Whoa, what has happened over here? All you guys are on YouTube. I'm not going to tell anybody that. Is that Prime? If it's Prime, I love this game. Find and click Frisbee. Okay. Find and click Frisbee. Green color. What? Okay, I have to go here. Click it, find and click a Frisbee. Okay. What? I've literally everything. I'm gonna put this away. I don't need this stuff. What am I even looking at? Oh, Frisbee. Oh, man. What happened? Oh my god. Find and click a Frisbee. It doesn't make any sense. Stupid. Okay, I give up. What are you supposed to do? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos and peace out.